I'm sure you've heard the news. But here's why you need to act fast if you use Firefox. Mozilla has disclosed a severe security vulnerability in Firefox and Firefox ESR, known as CVE 2024-9680. This flaw, with a CVSS score of 9.8, allows attackers to remotely control your system. Affected versions include Firefox 131, 0.2, Firefox ESR 128, 3.1, and Firefox ESR 115, 16.1. If you're using these versions, you're at risk. Update your browser immediately to the latest patched versions. Cybercriminals are actively exploiting this vulnerability, using tactics like watering hole attacks and drive-by downloads. These methods can lead to malware infections and data theft. To protect yourself, update your Firefox now, enable automatic updates, and stay informed with our cybersecurity updates at Impress Computers. Don't wait, your security is at stake. Trust Impress Computers to keep your systems protected. Stay safe, stay secure.